You're all warmly welcome to the celebration of the 69th Independence Anniversary of the Republic of Ghana here in Pretoria, South Africa. Today's gathering is historic. Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, one of the most revered kings of Africa, under the gracious leadership of Excellency Benjamin Kwashi, Ghana's High Commissioner to South Africa, with concurrent responsibility to Seychelles, Lesotho, and Eswatini. Today we celebrate our past, our freedom, and our shared future. Ghana and South Africa share a powerful bond rooted in Pan-Africanism, solidarity, the struggle for liberation, and the ideals of justice and dignity championed by great leaders such as Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. It is now my honor to invite our distinguished host, His Excellency Benjamin Anande Kwashi.
It is with a sense of pride and gratitude that I stand before you today as we gather to commemorate the 69th independence anniversary of our country Ghana here in Pretoria. This occasion transcends a mere historical milestone. It represents our dedication to honoring our national identity and the resilient spirit that defines us as Ghanaians. As we unite under the inspiring theme, Building Prosperity, Restoring Hope, we are reminded of our shared aspirations and the complex challenges we have encountered throughout our history. We pay tribute to the extraordinary sacrifices made by our forebears, courageous individuals who valiantly fought for the promise of independence. Together, let us endeavor to transform our beloved country into a bastion of hope and prosperity for generations to come. The presence of the Asantehene Otumfuo Osei Tutu II at our 69th Independence Day receptions underscores our rich cultural heritage and unity in South Africa. May our bond continue to flourish and strengthen in the years to come. Happy Independence Day. Long live Ghana. Long live South Africa. Long live Ghana-South Africa relationship, and God bless our homeland Ghana and make it great and strong. I thank you.